got JT Healy.
Yo!
Hey, that F45 that you're filming for is right there, right around the corner.
Where you from, man? Where in Texas? You look good. All of you in the crowd, you look great. Three, two, one, go. And here comes the first part of those rogue echo bars. See you, Jackson!
Slippery. The echo bike got hard.
Yeah.
That was the hard part. That was it.
How was the floor like with the handstand walks?
It looks worse than it is. Like Jackson slipped twice, but it was grippier than it looks. It was good. Your hands hurt from the sand.
Yeah.
Can't breathe. It's wet. I'm out of shape. Welcome to Wodapalooza.
You know, coming in, I knew I just had to pick up the pace. I'm the alternate for these guys. You know, I just tell them, let me know what you need, I'll fill it in.
Yeah.
Couldn't have done it without this. I love this guy.
Three, 2, 1, go!
In the lane 6, Josh Petalani.
Good job. Josh, great job. Nice start. That is awesome. How'd that feel?
Oh, just great.
Feel good. You want your sweatshirt back?
Yeah. The burpees on the wet turf on a slope are just terrible.
Slipping around with your feet.
Yeah, it was just weird. But it's good. Oh, shoulders are blown.
I feel like that trot in the sand took a lot too.
Yeah. So some people were carrying both. You chose to carry one.
Yeah, it wasn't worth it.
Yeah, no, that was good choice on your part.
So by the time they got done walking, I came back with the second block already.
Some of them beat you, but I think it was more taxing.
Oh, big time.
Yeah, it was just they burn out their shoulders faster. So smart.
All right, I gotta go.
Back.
All right.
Bye.
Hey, bro. This is getting real.
How uncomfortable does this make you?
What?
How uncomfortable does this make you?
I'm very comfortable in front of the camera.
I'm not.
Looking around first, Athletes,
So as your guys'
10
coach,
seconds.
I think.
Way to work the camera.
Yeah, you like that?
Stand by. Lane 7 for the ladies, Mia and the twins.
I didn't know it's like this team over here. No, I heard them say. It was you and I think that Oh, okay, cool. And then they rallied. Okay, bye. No. Okay, I'm fine.
To the first of that line, and right behind her on the athletes out of lane 3, that's going to be Latina Gang. You're 1 and 2, lane 6 and 3 at the moment for the ladies.
Hi, JT.
We're here supporting cast. Ready to go.
How are you? Good. Heard it was quite the adventure last night.
Oh my gosh, what a nightmare that was.
I'm glad you at least made it.
I know. Well, we were talking like it was gonna go like, I don't want to do this. I'm ready to go in. Jose, if you're hearing this, if you ever get tired, just tag me in. I'm ready.
1, go. And speaking of go. Crowd, are you ready for some Masters action? There you go. We are going to unleash these Masters of the Universe. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, go! And there they go, our Masters 45 to 49. Grab with that barbell, 125 on crowd. Can you share some energy with us?
What did he say?
Hey, Russians suck, right? Let's help her out a little bit. Show her some energy
Plus,
here.
he won this morning, so it was like, why try? The worst you could get to is 5th. There's no reason to bother, and you slammed everyone by like 4 minutes in that heat. He has 2 more days to slam everyone in this heat.
Just here to have a good time. Like Mr. 305 would say, dial it.
Notice a lot of references on your Instagram. Is that one of your favorite artists? You want to talk about it?
Oh yeah, 13-year-old me is having the time of his life being in Miami, seeing Ocean View or Ocean Ave. Just brings back a lot of memories.
But it is going to be 15 seconds.
Who are you texting, Joe?
I'm texting Josh's Peanut Gallery. It's Brian, Cole, and Shane.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds like a separate group message.
2, 1, time.
Yeah, you see me do my muscle ups? I did them so fast. You just blinked and I was done, right?
I didn't even get any footage of it.
Yeah, I was that. You need to learn.
What do you do with all this extra energy? Just gonna smack it tomorrow.
Well, my shoulder's good. That's all I care about. Because now I have like that much more confidence to go into the next two versus like
40 to 44
something bugging me. You know?
Right.
I mean, it's not great, but it's not like
Relative
I
to
would
me,
have done
that's
one of
just another
those.
way of saying these young whippersnappers.
so I'm good. Play long game, brother. Yeah, exactly.
Speaking of these whippersnappers, let's welcome them as they take the TYR Arena.
Right there.
Is that that corner? Yeah.
Come on, make some noise for your Masters athletes.
Just on the ground. Non un toccavo, andavo su about that performance we just witnessed.
I think he's a stud. He's the GOAT.
You were totally in your position.
She was misrepping me on
So I
my.
just wanted to get the fastest tie break time I could.
Good job.
Getting
No one finished.
last place finish.
3, 2.
So then is it a point system? It's just whoever got the most in.
They call it a cap plus. You do a cap plus how many laps you didn't do,
On the TYR Arena.
which is 21. Right?
Did anybody knock it on the ring?
Lane 1, Christopher. Ballesteros. In 2, Antonio.
Besides you.
In 3,
I meant anybody else. That's why he raised his hand. That's better. Now you can go 2 more days. You got the worst one out of the way. Smart.
It is recording.
Turn that camera on him right here.
Yeah, in action.
There he is.
There, get him, yes!
Hate to see you leave. Hate to see you leave. Love to watch you walk away.
Just under that 3-minute mark.
God damn it, guys. They're booming.
Three-way, ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's our thing now. We're gonna do a 3-way chest bump after every event. I should be looking here.
You like these things?
Really? Good.
Yeah, those are illegal.
Reebok's finest.
I feel like last time it was just like, all right, 30-minute rest. Now go lift.
Yeah, I told them before we walked over, I was like, guys, I feel like it's been about 30 minutes since the last time I squat snatched.
Yeah.
We also had to go from 35-pound bar to 155 on over there, so.
In case you're wondering, yes, those are gingerbread men. That's the content you need.
It kind of looks like a stretched gingerbread at the moment. But.
JT at the end of this day is like, well, I got probably 5 minutes of usable footage.
Great job all around.
Thank you.
Thanks, GT.
Inspired me to go lift something.
Can you?
I was in shock how well you did. That was worth me flying to Miami to see that.
It was so good. It was so good. My voice is gone from screaming, and I was so excited. And I saw the phone.
Oh, sorry.
That was Mia's moment right there. That was so cool. Awesome. Catherine said that was worth flying to Miami. She said that was worth it. I don't know if you heard me screaming at you, but that's why my voice is gone, because I was screaming at you.
I was like, last year.
I was like, just kidding. I wish I could have seen your face, because I was just behind you, and I was
probably like